Hello everyone, welcome to this new daily coding of Leetcode where we are going to go through reverse words in a string tree. So in this specific problem, what we are doing is that we receive as input a string and then we are supposed to reverse each word in the string and return the result of that. It doesn't mean that we are supposed to reverse all the string, but each word in the string. So that is the specificity of this problem. Let me give you an example so you understand better. Let's say you receive this as input. Let's take Leetcode context, right? The first thing you need to do is that you need to reverse the first one. Let's. That is what you gave you this. You reverse the second one, you have this. You reverse the third one, you have this. You reverse the fourth one, you have this. And then that is now your result. The same for this. You reverse this, you have this. You reverse this, you have this. And then that is your result. Now, given that we are fully aware of how the thing is supposed to work, how are you going to approach it? So before diving into the approach, I really encourage you to subscribe to do not miss what you are doing here in terms of daily coding and hackering solution. You will definitely gain in competence by subscribing because we are in the run of posting every day problem related to data structure, algorithm, Leetcode, and hackering. So now let's dive into our approach. So the approach will be as follow. So basically the idea here is to reverse words in the string. The first thing you need to be able to have is detect what is a word. So what we are going to do is that we are going to initiate our, I would say, we are going to look from the beginning to the end, and whenever we see a character, we append it to, I would say, a temporary word. And whenever we are going to see a space like this, we are going to say, oh, this is a space. That means it is actually the end of the previous word we were creating. And then at that position, what we are going to do is that we are going to reverse the temporary word we were having and add it to our result plus space because we were at the space, and then empty our result. So what will it look like? So you need to have the result. This is what you're going to return, and then the word, which is actually the variable that is going to stock, they're going to store our word while moving. So if the character is actually not a space, that means we have something which is part of the word we are actually building. So we just add it, we keep adding. Otherwise, that means, okay, we have a space. If you have a space, we reverse the word, we add it to our result plus space, and then we empty our word. Now you do have to remember that at the end, you eventually have the last word being stored in word. And then if you have so, you need to reverse that word again, and then you add it to your result, and then now you can return the result. So basically that is how we are going to tackle the problem. That is what we are going to provide as solution. Let me give you a simulation so you understand better. So in this simulation, we are going to take as example good thing to understand better of how the process is working. Okay, so you start by the first one, which is G. You move, you take O, you take G. Now you have a space. You reverse the word, which is this now, and then you add it to your result and you empty word. Now you continue. You take G, you take I, you take N, you take G again. Now you are at the end of the word. So since you are at the end of the word, you reverse this, you add it here, and then your result is dog game. So this was the simulation of what we just did as approach. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to leave me a message in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you tomorrow with new problem. Ciao.